Dr. Matthew Dahmer is the Chief Operating Officer and Vice President of Medical Affairs at the new Bronson South Haven Hospital. Dr. Dahmer, the hospital opened to patients and visitors yesterday. Exciting. First of all, congratulations. Have all services been transferred now from the old to the new?
Yes, all hospital services are now provided in the new hospital. This includes inpatient, emergency department, lab, imaging services, as well as pharmacy. The cafe in the new hospital is also open to serve staff and visitors. The Bronson practices that will be located on the second floor of the hospital have not yet moved. They're scheduled to move into the new hospital on Monday, June 7th, and those practices are Bronson South Haven Internal Medicine, Family Practice, Pediatrics, and Bronson Obstetrics, Gynecology, and Midwifery Specialists. Patients who have appointments in these practices up to and including June 4th will continue to see the provider in their current location. Appointments scheduled on June 7th and going thereafter will be in the new location on the second floor of the new hospital.
Okay, so is the old hospital closed?
Yes. The main portion of the old hospital is no longer accessible to the public. As mentioned, the medical office building to the east of the hospital and the medical pavilion to the west of the main hospital will remain open until those practices move on June 7th. The entrances to the old hospital are clearly marked to indicate that they're closed and that patients should go across the parking lot to the new hospital or go to the Blue Star Highway and come in the main entrance.
So what most excites you about being in the new hospital? Give us kind of an audio tour, if you will.
Well, I think patients and visitors are first going to have the impression of the main entrance, which is open and bright. However, the value of the new facility is the way that it's designed and built to address the healthcare of today and of the future. The old hospital was not fundamentally set up for the healthcare of today. The new hospital addresses that. From accessibility to flow and functionality, it's just a huge change. The new hospital is bright and welcoming. Registration and medical records are located right in the main lobby. The cafe is no longer buried down long hallways. It's right next to the main entrance. Our ED is bright and modern. There's actually 14 exam rooms in the emergency department with 2 very large trauma rooms available to care for any types of patients. The inpatient rooms are right down the hall with imaging and lab located in between the two and set up to make receiving health care services more efficient and easier for the patients and the families.
So the design was really based on efficiency and the need for this new building.
It was actually a huge part of it. The old hospital was designed for another time and had been added on to on several occasions over the past several decades. It made some services hard to find and hard to get to. We really tried to address this with the new hospital. In addition, the old hospital was hard to maintain and costly to keep running with an aging infrastructure. We, of course, looked at ways to remodel and redesign the old facility, but it just wasn't cost effective. The new hospital is designed and built to modern standards, and it's made more cost efficient to run as well.
So let's recap. If residents need emergency care, imaging, lab work, or pharmacy, that's all at the new hospital now, correct?
Yes. Emergency care and the outpatient services, lab, imaging, pharmacy, are now located in the new hospital. That also includes inpatient care. If someone's coming to see a family member who has been admitted to the hospital, they should come to the new hospital. It has parking available right in the front of the new hospital facing the Blue Star Highway.
My understanding, Bronson's also hiring for a number of positions at the new hospital, too. Is that true?
It is. If someone's been considering a career at Bronson, we can help you take your skill set to the next level. We're hiring for a variety of positions, ranging from nursing and medical assistance to food service and security. For those interested in applying, they can visit our website at bronsonhealth.com/careers to review our current openings here in South Haven.
All right, that's bronsonhealth.com/careers.
We're just really excited to bring this new service to South Haven. We're just incredibly excited to have people see the new healthcare that we've brought to the area.
Doctor, thank you so much for your time.
You bet.
Dr. Matthew Dahmer, Chief Operating Officer, Vice President of Medical Affairs at Bronson South Haven Hospital.